Alright, my name is Tate, and this is the end of day recap from Trading Talents. Currently, I'm trading the S&P mini futures, but open versus close, we opened up with a gap of 0.8%, closed the MES at 0.06, so still green, but we were red the majority of the day. Semiconductors, as you could see, were down 2.3%, in NVIDIA falling almost 5%. And a market as a whole, as you can see, red, the gap erased, red, Dow finished green, small caps, Russell finished green, and volatility index, the VIX, finished green, which is indicating sellers as a whole. So market was a bit mixed today. Primarily driven for the gap up on the open today was just a weekend pause in the U.S.-Iran hostilities. This has been ongoing for a very long time, so any tweet or information about the war and the strait is going to send the market up or down. And there's also some big earnings this week: Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Amazon. So those are some things to keep an eye on. And FOMC is Wednesday at 2 o'clock, where there will be announcements about interest rates. Trades taken. I actually did not take a trade today. I wanted to get short, called it that it was kind of going to test the 5-day moving average going lower in the pregame in the Discord, and it just never found a place to get short. So this was a trade of the day. You could have entered short here on this break and retest play. As you can see, the gap right here was eventually filled. Price never got back up to the New York VWAP here. And you could trail your stop here at the last lower high, and then the last lower high here. You could continue trailing stops, and honestly, probably taking profits here at the previous day point of control, or the last lower high got tagged, as you can see. Here's another trade of the day. Price pulled back to the previous day VWAP and the New York VWAP, and then later in the session, this is about 11, a little after 11 o'clock here, taking some money here at the low day VWAP, and then trailing the stop at the lower high and full out here at the low day. One more trade of the day. Price moves back up to the VWAPs, and as you can see, making a lower high, just continuing to respect the volume weighted average price, and taking profits here at the low day. Finally, one more trade here at the end of the session, creating some higher lows here, higher low, strong break above on the low day VWAP, and we're just trading up to the VWAP where we've seen price reject 1, 2, 3, 4 times today. So that's where we'll be taking profits for this trade. And trades that didn't work as well, you can see here a higher low was made, and it's a very strong close above the low day VWAP, but price just rejects that New York VWAP all day, every day. So your stop loss would have been here at the low day, and I would say people maybe were expecting price to just go up higher because it's been falling all day, but the stock market does not owe you anything. So this is a bit of a Discord. You see this morning here at 9:35, I mentioned that I see the news affecting, and I would most likely expect the gap to fill, maybe not all the way. As you can see, it ended green, so it did fill, but then it continued to go higher. So, but trade what's on your screen and be patient. And then at 10:30, gap actually did fill. So we have these other channels here on the Discord: daily market recap, trades taken, trades a day, trades that didn't work, and the floor, where we talk trading all day, every day. And I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.